Babies are awake, running around. Woohoo! Yep. Oh, here goes Mama.
Mama's in. Here comes Trooper. Zoom.
Okay.
Look, he's got a pucker on, man. He's going to poop.
Uh-oh.
I'm just going to make him poop.
Poopy time. Poopy time. I'll be glad when they're a little more stable on their feet so I can get rid of the towels and stuff and just put newspaper in there.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it'll be a little less laundry. Everybody knows who Mama is.
Oh, yeah. She's the one with the food.
Kirby, you're a little too old for that.
Kirby? It's never too late for a snack, Kirby.
Tara, you gonna lay down?
You lay down, baby? Lay down, sweetheart.
There, Daddy, lay down. There we go. Okay.
Kirby, no.
Oh, we got a straggler.
Yeah. Get that little nose working. Home right in on it.
Ooh, okay, here we go. Feeding time. Yay!
Why nothing there? Oliver. Oh, that's Luna. No, it isn't.
Nope.
That's Oliver. Yeah, dear. She said he had some white on his chin. I was trying to babble him over. There you go. Kirby. What do you think, buddy? Huh? Babies are eating. Babies are eating.
Num num.
Yeah, num num.
Listen to them.
Oh yeah. It's like a little factory.
They're going to be 5 weeks old in 2 days, and they're still not eating on their own very well.
I don't know, I think maybe they might have been a little premature.
Maybe.
A few days.
Yeah. Take them a little bit longer. They're getting better on their feet though, so that's good.
Yeah, a lot better.
What's the matter, Max?
You got an itch.
You're on candy camera. Maxwell.
Smile.
Smile.
Mommy's taking your picture.
You're on candy camera, buddy.
Mommy's taking your picture.
Max. Max. Where's your rope?
Where's your rope?
Where's your rope? Go get your rope. Yep.
That's your rope. Yeah.
Get your rope. What's the matter? Do you want Daddy to throw it? Huh? Do you want Daddy to throw your rope? Pick up your rope. Give it to Daddy.
Pick up the rope.
Get your rope.
Bring it here. Somebody peed on the floor.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, there goes Max. Get his rope. Hi, Kirby.
I'm trotting back in a minute.
Here he comes. I hear him. Oh yeah, you're a tough guy, Max. You're a tough guy, Max.
Shake it, yeah.
Strong set of jaws.